Usually we convert a PowerPoint presentation file into a PDF file by including all the slides in it. Can we change only a few slides in it without including all the slides? The answer is yes. Here I will give an example of changing the 2 slides I want into a PDF file. The method is, friends, first open the PowerPoint file, whose 2 slides we will change into a PDF file. Then friends, go to the File menu and select Save As. After that a new window will open. In Save As type, change from PowerPoint presentation to PDF. Then friends, click Options. Then a new Options window will appear again. There friends, select Slide S, determine the slides to be selected and converted into a PDF file, for example from 1 to 2. After that friends, click OK to save the settings, and click Save to save the slides we selected earlier into a PDF file. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all friends. See you in the next video.